Hello and welcome to our class. Be a Friend. This is a poem written by the poet Edgar Guest. In the previous video, I have explained this poem. This poem is about friendship. Friendship is a relationship of mutual affection between people. The person who understands your past, believe in your future and accept you just the way you are is your best friend. And the relationship you share with each other is friendship. In this poem, the poet is telling that to be a good friend, you don't need money, you don't need glory. The only thing you need is a cheerful nature, and this will make you a good friend. In this video, we are going to discuss the textbook exercises of the poem. Answer these questions, think and answer. We will discuss, and I'll be giving the answers in written also. You have to write all the notes in the notebook and prepare your notes. So let us start with the first exercise. A. Answer these questions. First question. Which two things are not necessary to be a friend? So, what will be the answer? If you see the poem, the first line start with be a friend, you don't need money, and the second stanza, first line, be a friend, you don't need glory. The two things which the speaker tells are money and glory. Money and glory are not necessary to be a friend. Now see the second question. Just a disposition sunny. How can a sunny disposition help us be a friend? Disposition sunny. It means cheerful nature. According to the poet, someone who has got a sunny disposition or a cheerful nature is friendly and nice. So he or she can make friends very easily with others, because it is very easier to talk, to laugh and to spend time with such people. So that is the answer to this question. Now see the third question. How can we help someone who is unbefriended? Someone who is unbefriended means that he or she has lost their friends. We can help such person by being kind to them, by helping them, by being with them, or we should be ready to give or lend what they want, or to take care of their needs. So in such a way we can be a good friend to a person who is unbefriended. Now see the next question. Fourth question. Which four things are mentioned as the duties of a friend? Yes, the poet is telling about some duties which a good friend must follow. So what are these duties? The four duties of friendship are to ignore the small mistakes of a friend, to appreciate the honest efforts of a friend, to encourage a friend when he is trying to do good or right things, and to be sorry for a friend who is sad. So, if you want to become a good friend, you have to follow these duties. Now, see the fifth question. How is friendship better than self-endeavor? Self-endeavor means to think about self. To think about self. Self-endeavor is always trying to do something for ourselves. Friendship means trying to do things for others, for our friends. And what the clever people do? The clever people try to get things for themselves. They even make money, lot of money for themselves. But A true friend tries to help others and earns thanks and love for himself or herself. These things are not equal to money, but they are greater than money. So try to earn love and thanks from everyone. Now see the next question, sixth one. Lines of poems are given and two questions are asked. You'll have friends instead of neighbors. For the profits of your labors, you'll be richer in the end. Now, what is the first question related to these lines? What does the line "you will have friends instead of neighbors" means? This means that if we simply live and work with each other, then we are neighbors. And if we help each other and work for each other, we can also be friends. That way we can really care for each other, so we can have friends instead of just neighbors. Now see the next part of the question. How can we be rich by being a friend? Yes, we can be rich by being friends because being a good friend brings us reward like love, affection, trust, respect, which are far more valuable than money or any other costly things. Answer these questions we have completed. Now we will do B, think and answer. First question. Which qualities according to the speaker are important to be a friend? Yes, there are some qualities which make you a good friend. According to the speaker, the qualities of kindness, helpfulness, patience, understanding are very important to be a good friend. It also helps to be cheerful, affectionate and sympathetic also. So you should have all these qualities to become a good friend. Now the next part, next question. Friendship is a simple story. What does this statement means? Yes, this statement means that there is nothing difficult or complicated about friendship. It is very simple. Any two people who are nice and kind to each other, who care for and help each other, can become good friends forever. So that is what a good friend should possess. Now these are the answers for the questions we have done now. I'll be giving the answers in written also. You have to copy it down. But before that, C exercise. Think of a time when a friend helped you with something or when you helped a friend. Tell the story in the class. Now I hope you understood what you have to do. You have to think the time when some friend of yours helped you or you have helped someone, your friend. So that incident you have to tell in the class, but here you have to write it in your notebook. You can write as a paragraph of about 8 to 10 lines. You can write the answer for this question in your fair notebook with other answers. You have to write all the answers, answer these questions, think and answer, and the answer for C question also in your notebook, fair notebook, and maintain your notes. If you got any doubt, you can ask me. Now till the next video, take care, be safe and stay blessed. Thank you.